Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vet Visit. Here we are going to study veterinary science for the competitive examination preparation. So friends, today's topic is repeat breeding in the cattle. This video is prepared by Dr. Hemant and Dr. Dilip Kumar. So first of all, what is repeat breeding? A female show a normal heat symptom but not conceive in more than 2 or 3 services. Then it is a case of repeat breeding. We will read this definition in more concise manner. That is, cows that are cycling normally with no clinical abnormalities and which have failed to conceive after at least 2 successive insemination, then the animal is known as repeat breeder cows. Mainly it is seen in the crossbreed cows. For example, in India, HFs. Repeat breeders can be divided into 2 groups: early repeat breeders cow and late repeat breeds cows. In early repeat cows that comes into heat within 17 to 24 days after AI, then they are known as early repeats cows. In these animals, the luteal functions has been shorter than the normal or typical for the physiological onset of estrous cycle in non-breed cows. In these cows, the most probable event is either failure of fertilization, which may be delayed ovulation, or proper semen qualities, poor semen qualities, or early embryonic death, delayed ovulations, or poor embryo quality, or unfavorable uterine environment, or precocious luteolysis. In late repeat cows that comes into heat later than 25 days after AI, in these animals the luteal function was maintained for a longer than physiological luteal phase in non-breed cows. Fertilization and initial recognition of pregnancy probably took place, but some reasons like inadequate luteal functions, inadequate embryo signaling, infectious diseases, or induced luteolysis. And luteolysis was induced and pregnancy is being lost. Responsible factors for the repeat breeding: congenital and acquired factors. It includes 2: one female factors and second is male factors. Another is early embryonic death, technological factors, nutritional and managemental factors. We will going to read this one by one. First is congenital factors. In this it includes underdeveloped genitalia, second, aplasia of the genitalia or segmented oviduct. In congenital defect in the ovary, for example, small ovary, low receptor for the GnRH, low cycling activity of ovary in silent heat, defect of oviduct, defect in cervix, which is kinked cervix. In these cases, the injection of apidocin has been used. Aplasia of the genitalia. In this, ovary is being developed. Ovulation has been also occur, but the ovum does not reach to the site of fertilization, and due to this, there will be no fertilization will be occur. Another is there are the female factors, which includes endocrine factors and some other factors. In endocrine factors, in this include impaired function of hypothalamus, pituitary and ovarian activity. These are responsible for the releasing of some hormones. Other factors are persistence of corpus luteum, follicular cyst, luteal cyst, anovulatory heat, delayed ovulations, failure of nidations of embryo, and failure collection of ova by the fimbria. Treatments: do not use hormones like FSH and LH. In this we can use hormones like GnRH, which for example brand name Gyna Rich and Receptal. Injections like prostaglandin with a brand name Vetmed and Pregma. We can use progesterones for pregnancy like P Depot and Duraprogen. We can use a Lugol's iodine painting on the cervix, and we can use treatment for the genital tract diseases. Several male factors are responsible for the repeat breedings in cattle and other domestic animals. Some of the male factors are it include diseases like trichomoniasis, vibriosis, brucellosis. And other male factors are, for example, it includes testicular diseases like testicular degeneration, hypoplasia of the testes, cryptorchidism, neoplasm and orchitis. Sperm qualities: low sperm concentration may also leads to repeat breeding. More dead sperms, abnormal sperms, and obtained from a older bull. If a sperms are obtained from an older bull, then it can also lead to a condition of repeat breeding. For treatment of these male factors: collection of semen from the healthy bulls, and treatment of the venereal disease that the bull is having, hygienic collections of the semen, and regular check for the straw. Technological factors are AI technique, which is used for insemination, improper thawing of the straw, improper handling of straw, all AI in early pregnancy showing gestational estrus, hormonal treatment, vigorous handling of the genitalia in PD, treatment, proper management and handling of semen, AI with skilled person, avoid vigorous handling of genitalia, proper detection of heat, proper time, site and dose of semen, avoid unwanted hormonal treatment. Nutritional factors include undernutrition, like for example vitamin A, D, E deficiencies, mineral deficiencies like phosphorus may lead to repeat breeding. Treatment for this: injection of vitamin A, injection of tonophosphate, which is phosphorus preparations. Mineral mixture orally can be given for this case. Managemental factor include heat stress in female and male, more herd size. Thank you friends, I hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends. If you want the PDF of this video, then please comment in comment section below. Thank you friends.